I wasn't recording.
Wanna fuck with a Pisces, bad bitch, long hair with some nice teeth, flash shit only, kinda like me and you, we can do this every night, see, I just really wanna kick it with a Pisces, lay back, get lifted with a Pisces, okay.
On my channel, I am doing a quick hair review on this Amazon company that sent me this hair. I'm gonna leave the link and everything in the description. This is basically another headband wig, but this is just the regular yaki texture. I pretty much doobied it because I like it doobie better. I don't know, I might hide this band and wear it as like a real doobie. But yeah, I really like it. It's nice, it's soft. I will say it's on the thin side for me because y'all know I like thick hair. But girls that like their hair, you know, they don't like a lot of body and stuff, this is the perfect hair for you. It's quick and go. If you in a hurry, just grab it, snap it, and you out. Like, it's like a, matter of fact, I'm gonna take it off anyway because I'm about to hide the band with mines. Basically, oh. So it's two combs in the front on the side, and there's a comb in the back, and this is like the strap. I got product on it, but you just basically put it on your head and you snap. Velcro, I meant Velcro it back. But I'm about to see something real quick. So hold up, y'all. Because sometimes I don't really want to rock the band, so I rather rock it like it's like a, you know, like a real doobie like. I like it this way better. So yeah, I'm gonna rock it like this. I like it this way better. So what I did, I just tucked the band in and used bobby pins to, you know, hold my hair together so it won't come right out. And I got these earrings from AliExpress, and I'll try to do a little Christmas makeup. La la, happy holidays. Just kidding. But I'm gonna show you what I did. It's gonna be a real quick tutorial, and I'll be right back. Not letting me be great. So you guys, this is my final look. I didn't rock that black headband per se because I didn't really care for it, but if you want to rock it with the headband or add your own headband, that's fine. That's why I really love these wigs, because these wigs are so versatile. Like, you can do whatever you want to them. Also, you guys, thank you for watching. All my returning subscribers, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for holding it down. Also, all my new subscribers, hey, how you doing? Welcome to my page. Hopefully you enjoy the content whenever I provide it, because I always just pop up like a late period. That was not funny. But anyway, you guys can follow me on Instagram at XOXO.mochaccino. Also, I have a TikTok now. You could guys follow me on TikTok at XOXO.mochaccino. Again, thank you guys for watching, and bye. Okay, that was so cool.